Mhm. The mug. That's some great prices. Thought it was a butter bat. Little plate.
It's a little cooler today.
Yes. I know. It was teasing us that it's going to be nice. Scraper candle. Those are beautiful. Get closer. That's nice. Okay, let's see what else we can find. There's just some great stuff. The radio's kind of loud, but oh, look at that beauty. That's a nice piece. Oh, I just like him because he's green. Oh, definitely have a lot of ironstone here. Somebody else is, look at the baby plate. Oh, that's so cute. Little knicky-knack shelf. Look at the sock box. 18. Very cute. Sometimes there's hidden treasures in these type. Oh, butter churn, butter thingy. Thingy. We're gonna call it a thingy. I don't. Chamber pot. I just got 2, so I don't need any more at the moment until I sell the others. It's a nice little shop. I like that candlestick. I like the shape of that. That's that bee's nest. Oh, the honey hive. That is cute. So this is the upstairs. Still, the radio's really loud. So, unfortunately, tins, any hidden treasures. That would just be fun to make over. Put floral in it. I am in Schoolcraft and doing a little bit of antiquing. I have never been to Schoolcraft. Alex and Becca came here and said, you need to come check it out. It's a rainy day. I thought this is perfect for me to come check out Schoolcraft. I'm loving it so far. You walk right in and you get to see ironstone. Yeah. Okay. Let's turn the camera on. Look for. I don't even know what it looks like. It was broken, but in the reverse painted, but green, beautiful. You need a mantle. $200. The antique stores are right off of 131, so that's all the noise you hear. So that was the first one. The radio was kind of loud. I'm going to go and hit the second one. Schoolcraft Antique Mall. Okay. Closed Mondays, Tuesday through Saturday. There we go. It is metal. We're just gonna go in and out, take a peek, see what's there. Oh my gosh, I think that's a muzzle. Yeah, see, I thought it was a muzzle. Those are cool. Ooh, 55. Oh, that's what smells. There's soap. It smells yummy. Oh, that's a beautiful set. Pioneer Woman. I don't know. Is that vintage? I don't know. Oh, look at that little horse. The little horse one. That is so cool. Okay, let's back up here. That is cool. 55. Ooh, I gotta see. I have to see how much that picture is. It's just something about wood. Oh, that's so cool. Don't even know what it's for. Oh, rum and brandy fruitcake. Squeaky floor. We like squeaky floors. Oh, that's pretty. A little simple. $14 in the Bible. Yeah, I don't think they want to sell that nesting box at $1,000. Hold on. No, they want to use it for decor. I don't blame them. I would too. I love it. Oh, look at the little Kentucky little lion. Another very fun mirror. It's not, I think it's plastic. Ooh, holiday. Oh, look at that bee. I'd want to rusty crusty that. It's hard to get into votives. Look at lamb chop though. Oh, I have some of them. The little chocolate bunny. And it's a nice red orange flamingo. 37. Hold on, let me back up. Oh, too close, not close enough. I don't know. That's fun. Look at the riding horse. This is the one I had out for Easter in a tin. Wizard polish. Well, you know, it's green. Salted peanuts. I love that people saved it. That's fun. The graphics on this. The graphics, isn't that cool? Nice. Crafting wax. Oh, look at that yummy. That is very yummy. We have to look. 55 doesn't seem like too bad. Great Christmas decor. Okay, go downstairs. Oh, I just went right to the beginning. I wasn't sure. Or the end. Egg plate. $12.50. An idea for some tomatoes, but pin cushions, but I have an idea of what I want to spend. What's this little area? Oh, it's the hen on the nest. 42 clear, 42 Indiana split tail. I do not need Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace Road. Well, let's look how I don't need one, but let's look to see how much it is. 52. Iridescent shimmer finish art glass. Glassy baby? I don't know. Definitely a big old thick piece. I'm loving on that stack. Wonder what they want for the canister set. I would paint it up, but is that 20 a piece or the whole canister set? That whole canister set's 20. Oh, it is. Especially for that bottom clasp. Oh. Drink ready to serve. $25. I liked it though. That's fun. I don't know if you can put the lights shimmering off of it. That brass butterfly sculpture. Very cool. 61. Sometimes you never know where your adventures are going to take you, since Schoolcraft is Alex and Becca's stomping ground. I was like 14 minutes away from where their booth is at Vintage Love. I have to remember. No, I think that's her estate company. Anyway, let's go in and check it out. See it now. Old Town Treasures. Oh my gosh. How I could not remember. I couldn't. But I do. Yes, I'm at the back alley because, finding front parking. Listen to those birds. A hoppy birds. Okay. Let's go in. Okay. Somebody had a troll collection. That's funny. I don't even... Recipe holder? It's not for sale anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Betty Crocker. Oh, those are cute. And of course, my mind's taken to me to vignettes. Rusty Crusty. Let me back out so we can see more. Somebody's vacuuming. And then we got the radio playing. I love little pieces of wood always, because they're just Great little accents. Ooh, it's green, rusty and crusty and yummy. Oh, that's a nice egg tray. Italy, I would think. No, it's not signed Italy. I would have thought Italy. Stack set. Aw. It's fun. Place card holder. I always love those bread boxes. Nice restaurant ware. Oh my gosh, look at the littlest juicer. Littles are so fun. Oh, that. Ellie Smith. Smoothie. It's beautiful. Look at the little cake. I'll go little. Fiesta. Oh, don't worry. I'll come back and find what I want. Oh, I like to pick these up if they're $8 to put a marmalade stamp on. Oh, it's metal. Look at these little bags. Into tomato pincushions, and I don't even have a single one yet. Huh. Coasters. Look at the little mouse. I have plenty of my vases. I'm on to other collections, though I'm not getting rid of my collection. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I'm not doing any Easter right now, but he's very cute. I like him. Let me back up so we can see a little bit more. Okay, one more boo. Did I go out in this one? I don't think I went into this one. It's not big, but it's mighty. Ooh, oh, I see a McCoy ball though. I don't have that one. I have that pattern, but I don't have. I'm looking for ones that I don't have the pattern of. I don't have that pattern. So it was kind of an impromptu trip. Like I had listed like all day on Thursday on eBay a couple hauls from auctions, and we didn't have any auctions coming up. We have a birthday party on Saturday, so I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take the day and I'm going to travel to the Schoolcraft antique stores. Alex and Becca just went there. This is my first time going. I thought it was going to be like a couple hours, but it like the GPS was like an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm like, oh, yay. So that was fun. So I stopped at 2. I know I don't even know because I filmed my haul before I even edit the video. Like, did I have to do all voiceover because there's music playing? 131 is busy. Cute little antique stores. Both places I highly recommend. You know, we all collect something different, and you know how dealers are, they're constantly bringing stuff in. So the first one that I stopped at, I did upstairs, I did pick up the little to make over that little cute little pail. It's so cute. Prices were wonderful. And it's a little wood piece, cookie cutter. And then I don't even think you saw this, but it was a bag of littles. You know, those printer drawers are very popular right now. I'm finding littles, but for me, it was this guy. It was the black kitty cat. Though there's a couple other little pieces in there. I could just resell those, and then keep the little black kitty for myself. That's how that works. Let's see, what did I get here? Oh, this is the lid. That was a great price on this. I'm like, oh my gosh, great price. The handle has been repaired. But you know, those of us who collect ironstone, we don't care. So I'm not even sure. Edward Clark. Well, that's one. That's a new one to me. So it has the handle. They glued the handle. It has the lid. That's huge. The lids, you know, do discolor because people used them. Put them like this. Take the lid off. Put it in a. I mean, there's so many different ways to style them. And now my next piece, she had just brought in from her home collection, so she was a collector of ironstone. Look at the toasty. It's a mold, like a cake mold, butter mold, just in the ironstone. Got some chippage. Y'all, those of us who collect ironstone, I'm sure there's a percentage that likes the perfectly perfect, but a lot of us, I mean, it's 1800s. It's old. It's old stuff. So this is an awesome piece. One of the same booth I got the sugar dish out, had this cute little, I don't even know, like, were these like toothpick? Did you put your appetizers in them? I don't know. But it was just a cute little heart cutting board. Hearts are definitely in. They had a couple flags. I picked up this 48 flag, and then a couple because you know I need to start crating with, and then these two bigger ones. Maybe even use them in my own decor. You never know. I'm not done yet. I got a couple more pieces there. I did get the mug. I'm not sure if it's a shaving mug or not, but it's still an ironstone piece. It's unmarked. And then my last two things that I got there, I hawed, and I had just recently sold one of these for some good money, which was like, I think I sold this one for 65 and she had it for like 20. So, and then this one was 30. These yellowware ones, the Watt ones, are highly collectible, especially with the green band around them. So, and then having the big one, I don't think I've ever had the big one. I have a version of this, so I have to go see if this version, because you know, as things age, they color differently, they toast differently. So if they match, I might keep them. If they don't match, I think mine's a little bit lighter version. Mine's more of a cream than the yellow, but they do call it yellowware. And then at the next antique store, I'm like, can you go check out this? It's a beautiful, this one is a JG Meekin. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, my receipts in there. Gorgeous. I had to ask the gentleman who's also a viewer, him and his wife watch the channel. Thank you so much for saying something. I always appreciate when I'm out and about, people saying something. Makes me feel like I'm doing what I should be doing. But a beautiful ironstone pitcher. And then the only other thing I got, you know, I'm a reseller, I'm a collector, was that stack of canisters. Oh, I can't hold them. Well, there would have been like another piece of metal that would have locked this in, which definitely tells the age of it. And y'all know I bought them as project pieces. I am totally gonna make some kind of stack over. Oh. So, and then to have a 3-set stacking that I love when they're, you know, I kept telling myself when I looked at the price, you know, you're like, if it's under $20. I'm grabbing it. And it was $20. Well, not under, but it was exactly $20. So I thought that's a good price. So then I'm like, okay, so where do go? Where I'm out and about. I'm hours away from home. Where else can I go? Well, then I'm like, well, Becca and Alex came here, so how far is Schoolcraft from Three Rivers, where their place is? And they extended, another booth opened up. They extended into, like they have the whole corner now. They're still at Hog Creek, we're next to me, and but they extended into that big of space, which is awesome. But now they have to shop, but they also sell and whatnot. So bless their little hearts. So I did do some filming in there. I just missed them by like probably minutes because they're only like 10 minutes away from there. But I'm like, no, don't. They had to wrap up whatnot. Don't turn around for me. You'll see me. You saw me in Easter. It's all good. But this is way past Easter when you're seeing this. But in one booth, I picked up green paper straws because I just want to use them in decor because they were green. And then I picked up 2 of these little creamers. Though I wanted to pick up a lot of the stuff, but I'd be like, no, you had it, no. So yes, so many people had so many yummies in there. And then I did, my first grab you saw was one of these because I put a marmalade stamp on it, and it does, I resell them that way. I can't get the true, I don't have that connection to get anything from England. And Beck and Alex booth, I got the little riser. So, though I really wanted the chamber pots, but I don't need another chamber pot. And then my last purchase was one of the McCoy bowls. I've been searching for another McCoy bowl, but I was searching for something that wasn't that same window pane. I don't know the pattern. I think they called this one the asparagus pattern. I have a McCoy bowl stack on my jadeite glowy cupboard, and I wanted some more, but I wanted like a smaller size so it would tier. So there's that. So that was fun. I love checking out new antique malls. I even like Alex and Becca where they're at. I don't get to go very often. That's not on my regular gig. So that was awesome. Check out Schoolcraft. Check out Three Rivers. Wonderful place. And when I was at Three Rivers, there was a couple I saw. Thank you for saying something too. My hair, even with my hair up because it was a rainy day, her husband noticed me right off the bat, and they were from Jackson. So that was awesome. That was great getting to chat with them. So anyway, y'all, that's something to do on a rainy day. Go out and see what you can find in any antique store. So we'll see you next time, and you can see where I've been shopping. Bye. Okay, this one I just got. See where I said they're all kind of a little bit different? So that's what I'm looking for. Some are a little different.